Welcome back to part 2 of my spot grid trading little journey that I thought I'd do. So yesterday I gave an overview of what spot grid trading bots are. Today I'm going to start it. I said yesterday I was going to be doing BNB USDT, but I'm now going to be doing BNB to T USD, and big shout out and a thank you to Binance Stuff. He's got his own YouTube channel where he talks about projects, Ponzi projects. Very entertaining guy. Lets us all know about all these Ponzi projects, and so go and check him out if you are not subscribed already. He's a very informative guy, knows what he's talking about, and he helped me out with this one, and he gave the advice of go for TUSD instead because they have 0 trading fees at the moment. So I'll be going with that, save a bit of dosh. So I've set it up, so I'm going to go for 310, so I put it to 310 to 360 on the price range, and I'm going to be using 42 grids geometric. The reason I'm doing 42 is because I wanted to do yesterday, like I said, 500 as the initial investment for it, so it equaled out to 42, so that's what I'm going to be doing. If I did more or less, it would be over or under the 500, but it's just a bit over, which is fine. And yeah, I'm going to be I'll show you now. This is the little spreadsheet that I've got. It's a 7-day plan, so I've got the date, got the capital that I'm going in with, the investment, the pair, daily profit or loss, the account balance, and the daily percent lost or earned. So that's how I'm going to be tracking it each day. I might do a video every day for the next 7 days, giving a progress update on it, or I might do every other day. I haven't decided yet. We'll see how exciting tomorrow looks for the actual profit or loss. Yeah, a little interesting sort of project, kind of a mini project this is. It's kind of like a mini project, right? So yeah, thought I'd take you along the journey as well, and let me know if you are doing anything like this on exchanges or whatever. What are you doing? Let me know what you're doing, and if whatever's working for you. So I'm keen to get into this sort of stuff more, so do let me know, as I will be interested on other platforms as well, just to see what's what, and I might be missing out on something that I don't know about. So yeah, daily profit and loss, account balance at the end of the day, and the daily percent earned or lost on the day, and we'll have a grand total at the end. So let's create this grid. Okay, let's go to advanced. So I will set my stop loss at just do 300 for the sake of this. I mean, it's only for 7 days this, so we'll do that. Okay, I've done my advanced options as well. Now let us press create, click on that. Okay, this is the grid order confirmation, so it's BNB to TUSD. If you confirm to set up the grid, a certain amount of BNB might be bought at best available price despite the price spread caused by market volatility. Okie dokie. Alright, let's give this a go, guys. Alright, confirm. Alright, now that is our bot set up. Look at that, I'm already losing money. No, that's just it. It's just started, so pretty cool. View details. I bet my internet's frozen again. It always tends to freeze. Here we are. So this is my spot grid, and these are the orders that I've got. So these are the pending orders that have already been set up, and these are the cells as well. So here you can see the pending orders, and over here you can click end. It will end if you want it to end. I don't know what I was saying just then because I had to step away from my computer, but I'm back. So this is sort of the page where you see all the information about the spot grid, the trades that we've set up. So as you can see, here are the list of trades. These are the limit orders, so these are the ones in prep, and these are the cells. And so it's taken from the 500 I said it would take, it's taken 476. Not too sure why. I will look into that a bit later. that's how it looks in terms of on paper. So if we go back to the spot grid chart, so if we go to, as you can see right here, that you can't see my orders. So if we go here, display settings, and then open orders, you'll be able to see these are all these are my grids, right? So these are all the buys, these are all my limit orders. So once this price comes down, in theory, then this grid will be a buy, this will be a buy, this will be a buy, this will be a buy, and so on. That's how it's that's how it works, that's how it looks. So that's pretty much it, guys. I might come back tomorrow for another follow-up in terms of how much we've progressed. I may come back the following day. I don't know yet. We will see. We'll see how exciting it looks tomorrow. That's kind of it. Not too sure there's much else I can say. So like I said, this is a test. So depending how well this does, may have to 1 week's time see how we actually make or how much we actually lose, and adjust accordingly. And as you can tell here, there's a lot of buys here, so we need preferably the price to come down a bit more so we can get more of these buys in. But you know, it's just started. We'll see how it goes. For the next one, in a week's time, I will probably narrow the gap, you know, bring this a bit more up, so the buys will actually come in a bit more. But we'll see how it goes. This is just a real sort of test to see how it goes. This is the first time I've done this, so we will see how it goes. Alright guys, I won't bore you anymore. Might be back tomorrow, might be the following day. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see ya on the next one.